What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I go over the day in life in businesses and my businesses until I hit $30,000 a month. So we are actually doing customer orders today. It's probably going to be a quick video again because there's less orders that I'm doing manually and more FBA shipments going out. So I've kind of done a lot today doing that. So kind of done other than doing the customer orders. So if you're new here, this will be new to you, of course. And if you are a subscriber, you know that this is usually the day-to-day, but I want to come out there and show you my revenue that I made yesterday. So at the very end of the video, I will show that. So let's get started and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we are done with the video. That was so fast. We got it all done. Thank you so much for watching. I know these videos have been short, but also I am going through business change right now. I just don't have a lot to do at the moment. It's a lot of back end work. And so I don't really know what to show you, but if you have any questions or comments or ideas for me, if whatever you want to see, if you want to see back end work, just let me know, comment down below. But now let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money that we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $57.95. We made $76.60 on Quality Prints USA website and $354 on Amazon, with a total of $489 made yesterday in revenue. So now we're actually at a total of $12,719. The last time I checked, last month, I think it was at $11,900 or $11,200. I don't remember, but it was somewhere around that range. So we are surpassed last month, which is good. That means we're getting out of the summer month. So if you guys want to see me hit $30,000 a month this year, please subscribe down below and please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It helps so much. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.